Welcome to a unique travel experience of Golden Chariot train. Trace southern India's invigorating tales while expanding the horizon of your experiences. The Golden Chariot is marked by comfort, style and elegance. The train interiors are inspired by the beauty of the terrain and opulence of its rich royal past. The guest carriages are a mix of twins and doubles. The experienced chef on board prepares some of the best cuisines of the world. You can soak into the moments at the exclusive bar. Enjoy the delicacies in 2 fine dining restaurants.
To give you the best experience, unforgettable experience.
Let the expedition unfold. The train offers a collection of 3 uniquely curated expeditions. Pride of Karnataka, Jewels of South, Glimpses of Karnataka. Visit and appreciate the architectural beauty of Mysore Palace. Get spellbound at magnificent ruins of Hampi in Karnataka. Feel the vibrancy of Shore Temple, another UNESCO World Heritage Site at Mahabalipuram. Appreciate the 1000-year-old architectural marvel of Brihadeshwara Temple in Thanjavur. Mesmerize your eyes with culture of Kerala. Visit historical Basilica of Warm Jesus Church in Goa, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Relax and let your body at Arogya Spa and Fitness Center on board. Have your moments on board while the world go by. Your safety is of the highest priority for us. All necessary safety protocols shall be adhered to make the journey safe. So what are you waiting for? Come aboard the majestic, the Golden Chariot luxury train. For booking, itineraries and offer details, visit www.goldenchariot.org.